Answer 1. The first 5 verses of Surah Al-Alaq. Answer 2. In the cave of Hira. Answer 3. In the Arabic language. Answer 4. 30 parts juz. Answer 5. 114 surahs. Answer 6. Surah Al-Baqarah. Answer 7. Surah Al-Kawthar. Answer 8. Surah Al-Fatiha. Answer 9. Surah Al-Ma'idah. Verse 3. This day I have perfected your religion for you. Answer 10. Over 23 years. Answer 11. Surah Al-Alaq. Answer 12. Surah Al-Baqarah. Answer 13. Abu Bakr as-Siddiq R.A. Answer 14. Khadija R.A. Answer 15. Approximately 77,000 words. Answer 16. Verse 282 of Surah Al-Baqarah. Answer 17. Prophet Muhammad, followed by his companions. Answer 18. 558 ruku. Answer 19. So, which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? Surah Ar-Rahman. Answer 20. Many miracles, with the Quran itself being the greatest miracle. Answer 21. Surah At-Tawbah. Answer 22. Laylatul Qadr, the night of decree. Answer 23. During the caliphate of Abu Bakr as-Siddiq R.A. Answer 24. The current arrangement is thematic. Answer 25. In the month of Ramadan. Answer 26. Because it is the divine book of guidance. Answer 27. Al-Furqan, the criterion. Answer 28. Angel Jibreel, Gabriel. Answer 29. Allah himself. Indeed, we have sent. Answer 30. To guide humanity and lead them to righteousness. Answer 31. because it provides peace and healing for hearts and souls. Answer 32. Prophet Musa, Moses. Answer 33. Monotheism, Tawheed, prophethood, and the hereafter. Answer 34. Worship Allah and follow His guidance. Answer 35. Several, including those of AD, the mud, and Pharaoh. Answer 36. Surah Yasin. Answer 37. 14 places. Answer 38. Each letter earns 10 rewards, and the reward is multiplied manifold during Ramadan. Answer 39. It serves as a guide for all humanity until the Day of Judgment. Answer 40. By practicing its teachings and making them a part of daily life. So, how did you like our video today? Please let us know by leaving a comment. And if you're visiting our channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe so that you can receive notifications for upcoming videos.